Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Discord for community marketing and retention. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your journey in community marketing on Discord, open the Discord app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the server where you want to implement community marketing. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the server name at the top. Select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. Within the Settings menu, click on Integrations. Find the section labeled Subscriptions. Click on Create Subscription. Fill in the required details about your community marketing strategy. Be sure to set the appropriate permissions for members. Choose how you want to engage with your audience, such as polls or announcements. After configuring your settings, click Save Changes at the bottom. Consider setting up roles for community members to enhance engagement. To do this, return to Server Settings and select Roles. Click on Create Role and enter a name that reflects the role's purpose. Assign necessary permissions to this role for better community management. Return to your main server view and create dedicated channels for announcements and discussions. To create a channel, click the plus icon next to Text Channels. Choose an appropriate channel name and set the privacy. Once your channels are set up, start posting valuable content to keep your community engaged. Use engaging visuals and consistent branding in your posts to attract attention. Monitor community interactions and respond promptly to foster a welcoming environment. Encourage your members to invite their friends to grow your community. Regularly review your marketing strategy and adjust based on feedback and engagement metrics. Continue utilizing Discord's tools to enhance community retention and interaction. With these steps, you're well on your way to effectively managing your community marketing on Discord. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.